Garten of BanBan? I don't know what this is, but hey, we gonna dive in the game. What? For a parent looking for their missing child, time is dedicated matter. Click on the clock to advance time. What? Wait, hold on. Whoa, wait, whoa. Wait, what? What happened? Oh, bien there. Okay. Alright. Either objects. Yeah, I already figured that out on my own. This. Hold on, what opens? Okay, alright, boots. Okay. Oh. That's how you pick up things. Okay, I don't know how I didn't know that. Oh. Oh, you're requiring batteries. Alright. Alright, now I just need to put them in the helicopter. Oh no, oh, okay. I see it already got it in there. Now what? Yeah, that. Oh. What about that? Did this work? Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Oh no. I don't know why, but my heart just raced a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. That one caught me by surprise. Look. Turn on the lights. It's a little bit too dark for me. Oh. Nah, he was just moving a second ago. I'm not trusting that. What do you take me for? Oh. Wait, hold on, hold on. I gotta call it back. Now, hit this thing. Wait, what? It don't work? Do I have to go over here? This might kill me. An egg. Oh. What? Yeah, I got an egg. Yeah, that's how you say it. Apilia bird mission. Apilia bird is an unbelievable hungry. Feed its 6 eggs to get your prep. Oh, I already got 2. We got this. You just gotta go a little bit on the scavenging hunt. Okay, that's 3. Anything? Okay, 4. Oh no, I'm not crossing that. Can't risk dying. I'm not risking dying. Yeah. Get on. Okay. Alright. I really gotta. Alright. What else? Wait, how many do I got now? I got like 4, right? Okay, I got like 4. Yeah. Alright. Got the crap. button is the crouch? Hold on, hold on. What button is it to crouch? Because I do not know. Controls. Okay, okay. Jump, E, interact. What? Okay. I guess I can't crouch through there. Huh. I don't know how many I got right now. How many do I got? Oh wait, hold on. I can probably use that. Oh. How do I get that though? How do I get it? I can't reach. I can't just. Dang. Okay, this is very difficult indeed. Where's my? Oh, there. Yo, hit this thing, gang. Hit. Oh. Why isn't it working? I mean, it's not yellow as before. Maybe that's why. Where the heck are the others? I still wanna go. How do I get this one? Where's the drone? Where's my drone at? Drone, where you at? Oh. No gear. Hold on. Because there's no option to crouch. So how am I going to, is that an egg that is trapped in there or something? Like, how do I get it? I can't get it. Like, what do I even do with the eggs anyway? What do I do with them? Feed it 6 eggs. Eat your prize. Wait, no. Get your prize. Yeah. Oh. Throw go. 2, 3, 4. I only got 4. Okay. I kind of thought I had 5. Wait, hold on. I can walk on this? Oh, wait, there's an egg right here. We have passed by that egg. Hold on. Did I feed you the egg? Oh, okay. How do I get this thing? How do I get in there? How do I get in there? Anything I can crouch with? Anything indeed. I ain't gonna lie, I'm literally. Oh, I didn't know I could use that. That's new. Okay, not that one either. Dang, what can I use to crouch? I don't know, honestly. How do I crouch? And I can't change the settings at all in any way, shape, or form. And do I gotta like? How do I get in there? How do I get in there? Dang. Did I feed him the fake egg? I think I already did. Okay. Hold on. What's this? Okay. Oompa Loompa. Interesting. Hold on. Oh, y'all eyes red. Kinda reddish, gang. Gotta get that checked out. You doing that crack? You doing that methamphetamine? Or methamphetamine? Is that what it's called? Man, I can't crouch. I don't know how I'm about to get this. I'm gonna find a way. Somehow. Wait, what? What's this? I didn't know this. Bring a friend birthdays. How do I get this? How do I get such a thing? Hold on. Let me think. Cause I already know I need a yellow key. Okay, I already know I need a yellow key card for this thing. But how do I get that thing? Oh, I need a purple and orange? Oh my. Dang, okay, I don't know how I'm about to do this. Heck, I'm gonna have to find a way. Boy, oh boy. I need you to return here. No, you don't. Go over here. Thank you. I go over here. Somehow push me here. Okay, that don't. I don't get. There's like some kind of barrier here. Dang, how am I going to get there? Okay. Just let me grab the egg, please. Please let me just let me continue with this game. Why did you guys make me pay this $2 game? Actually, I got it for free, but $2 game. Jeez, I can't even get it. Man, try your hardest. See, not even you can do it. Dang. How am I going to do this? Actually. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to search it out how they did this. I might have to. I might have to search it up. Hold on. The end is here. Okay. And move this. Is that really the closest you can spawn? Can't spawn any. How am I going to get this thing? Hold on. Let me search this thing out. How to crawl. How to crawl in Garten? Is that Garden? Garden of Eden? Wait, what is... is it Garden of Garden? Wait, hold on, what? Garden of Eden. I hope that's correct. That was not correct at all. Okay. Yeah. Confirm that. How do I... Oh, confirm. Okay. Let me just see the title of this game one more time. Oh, Garden of BanBan. Why did I say Garden of Eden? Why am I thinking of the heavens? Okay, hold on. Because, heck, I got to figure this out right now. Yeah, how to crawl in Garden barn. Jesus. Alright, hold on. Let me see this. Because, boy, I don't know what am I doing wrong? Don't worry, I won't go too far so I can spoil this one. So, I ain't gonna go too far. question. Get that active. Question mark sign. Question. Oh, lol. I understand now. My mind has evolved into a higher level, I think. Possibly. How did I not see that? Okay, that's questionable. But, where you at? Okay. I need you to hit it directly on the spot, my boy. Hit it. Wait, where is he? Oh, there. Okay. What'd that do? Oh, okay. I ain't gonna lie. I need to start watching further because heck, wait, what? Go to the max game? Okay. Can we wipe this off first? You know, just saying. Now I can open this thing up and see what it gives me. Break it. Can I break this actually? I'm not sure. I can't break it. So here, I gotta go around. Sadly. Oh, okay. Go around. And then go over here. Oh, okay. Didn't hit that, so I can go. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, you gotta stand a little bit to here. You gotta stand a little bit in front of it, not to the side, not to the side. Wait, hold on. Did I break that? Okay. There we go. Now what? What that? What that? Oh. Okay. I knew it was a door to something. You know? Distraction at 1. Am I being distracted right now, game? This is like a diversion tactic that I'm not seeing. Because I think it might be. Yeah, be in there now. God dang it, I need an orange. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, space bar to jump. Now what? Now what I do? Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Emergency stop. Okay, I need an orange one for that one, game. Ooh, we moving. We're on the move. Where we going? Oh, there's another one over there. Whoa, wait. Oh, that's a deep drop. Wait, what are those? Oh. Kinda... I can't really make it out from over here. I should have probably checked over there. I ain't gonna lie. I should have. Wait, what? Dang. What is it? What was my color? Shoot, I knew you were red. That was like a distinct color. And I know that you were white, I think? Or were you pink? Wait, no, he was pink. You are white. He was pink indeed. You were, shoot, what are you guys? You were, shoot, I also gotta get yellow as well. You were like, shoot, were you blue? You look like a green boy. I think you were blue. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Were you blue? Wait, were you blue? Oh, hold on, I'm not sure. Okay. You know what? We gonna keep it at blue and see how that goes. What color am I missing? Yellow. Oh, yeah. I remember passing by it. Oh, what? Is this correct, please? You think? Oh, what is this? I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Mismatch and see me, but go. I am scared because the hole is loud and my friends scream in it. But bird is funny. What that mean? What that supposed to mean? Oh, what's this? Oh, no, that's nothing. That's literally nothing. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I can change it around? Okay, that's might be useful. Might be useful in some way. I don't know how. Well, it's clear that I didn't get this right. So, dang, I gotta figure this out then. Alright, I'm gonna change you to white. Wait, I don't know. How about red, yellow. Oh, green. I don't know how I forget it. Is correct? I don't think this is correct. Shoot, I don't think I got this correct. Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on. I don't think I got this correct. Wait, shoot, were you red? Or were you white? Hold on, wait, hold on. Shoot. I know you were pink. Okay, hold on, let me think. Let me cook right. Let me cook. Okay. Like, if I were to, shoot, I ain't gonna lie, I might look this up. I don't wanna be stuck on this. Where my drone? Oh, I do not want to be stuck on this. Shoot, I might have keep guessing. Maybe you were green. Maybe you were yellow. Or were you? Maybe you were yellow. Maybe you were the yellow one. Yellow one of the group. You were like, you weren't pink. You were probably blue. Were you blue? You weren't blue with the group? You weren't blue with the group. Alright. Damn. How do I check if I know I'm getting this correct or not? Because I'm not sure. What is this? Okay. It just changes it around. That's it. Like, is the other one giving me some kind of special thing or something? Like, what we got on there? What do you got on there? Is the guy something on there? Or like, nah. Is it giving me nothing? Or is it giving me something? It's giving me nothing. Okay. I don't know if I'm getting this correct. I should have probably looked at the main screen before I did this. That is pink, so I know you're right. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna have to look this up again. Technical difficulties. Hold on. The colors of Garten of BanBan. And I already know what y'all about to be saying in there, man. Y'all about to be like, Not him cheating, man. I'm not cheating according to my standards. So yeah. Technically, I'm not cheating because I'm not really the remembering person of any group. So yeah. And besides, I didn't know how to solve that egg thing. The egg thing was difficult, alright? It was well hidden. Well hidden, alright? Well hidden, well. Let me see this. So it was like red, white. So this one is green, pink, blue. So blue and this one is like yellow. This should be correct though. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. I might have to go back. And see. Wait, hold on. What's in here? Can I like peek inside of here somehow? Like, how I'ma do this? I don't know. I'm not sure. Dang, I don't know. I honestly don't. Okay. I'm not doing this right. Somehow. Alright, go through all the colors. One will match up with one. Wait, what? Oh. I got. Nah, I don't like how you staring at me again. Hey, yo. Attack. Your big paws. What am I gonna do? Please help. Can I? Hey. Why are you staring at me? I'm a little scared. I'm a little frightful boy. Whoa! Don't take any more steps. Don't take any more steps. I ain't gonna lie. The moment I said don't take any more steps, he took like 10 steps. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't expect all that. Hey, he was moving fast. I was like, what? I didn't expect him to do all that. And why are you so big? Why are you a big chicken? You're a big old chicken. Chickeny boy indeed. Chickeny boy. I like to fry me up some chicken. You know? Smell it all around. All around town. I'm gonna just stand right here so you don't get me. So yeah, you little bastard. Stop right there, sir. Stop right there. Wow. Oh. Help me! Oh dang. I didn't anticipate that at all. You see, I calculate everything, and that wasn't in my calculations. So yeah, I was caught off guard. Caught off guard indeed. I'm gonna run all the way over here so I can meet you. What's good, gang? What's good? Talking all the smack. You talking all the smack. Yeah, you talking all that smack. Talking all that smack. All this smack. Smack. Oh, yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Help me! Help! I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. He was scaring me, alright? He scared me a little. I got caught off guard. And yeah. I ain't gonna lie, Get away from me. Please. My God. Nightbot, 10,000. Nightbot. Please don't stare at me anymore. Indeed. I know what you're gonna try to do. So I'm gonna need you to back up. Back up, big bro. Back up, big bro. Whoa, he was close. He was close. Ooh. He was able to get his neck up there, but I hit the body. Ooh. Got him and all. Now what I do? Okay, let's get it. Oh, in here? Oh. Thought I would be able to go in there first. Alright. What's going on? Move this chair again. Move these chairs. Put them out of here. Dang. These chairs be in my way. Chairs be in my way, yeah. Ah. Okay. Oh. Oh. That thing right there. Hey, bro. Come on. That thing. Get it with maximum efficiency. There we go. Oh. What did I do? Oh. Wait, what am I doing? What am I gonna do? Can I leave? Yeah. I'm gonna just look from a distance. It's slowly drifting down, so it'll be fine. Is anything gonna happen? Then go, oh. Dang, them doors are broken. What happened to that? And also the chair. I would kinda expect it to disappear, but hey, now I got a chair with me. What you gonna do about it? I got a whole chair with me. The moment the door is open, the moment I'm pushing this out. This place is kind of dark. Are we in the... Hey. If that was me, bro, I would already jumped out. I might as well take fall damage and get killed by that. I already know my dog is looking at me like I'm insane right now. I ain't gonna hold you. Alright, well that was Garten of BanBan. You might have to challenge his predecessor again. I wonder if they're coming out with a BanBan. See them 3. Wait, how many BanBan 3? Wait, what? You know,